Good day everyone, so welcome again to our mini vlog, and today we're going to feature this 500cc Kazuma EFI. Alright, so shoutout po pala kay Sir Alvin ng Nueva Ecija. Sir Alvin, nandito na po yung unit mo at i-check na lang po natin siya. So, ulitin ko, this is a Kazuma, optional by 4x4 and 4x2. Okay, so try natin yung kanyang ilaw. This is the dim light, ayan, yung baga dim, or yung park light na tinatawag. And off, dim uli, and high. We also have here the high. Okay, nga naman, try natin yung kanyang winch. Okay. So, try natin yung winch. Ito po, na-hover lang tong winch niya dito. So, hanggang na sa kanya, ayan, may cover siya. So, once in-open natin, operate natin siya. Ayan. Okay, so, papalabasin natin siya. Ayan. Nakikita nyo? Ayan yung kanyang winch. Okay, pasok natin. Ayan. Okay, so pop na natin. Ayan, balik lang natin yan. Then, let's try to start naman po. Okay, start natin. Ayan. So, makikita nyo gaano ko siya kalakas. Okay, so starting pa lang, makikita mo na yung lakas ng kanyang vroom vroom. Okay, let's go. Forward naman. This is the low. Ayan. So, we have here the low. And, so pakita ko lang sa inyo yung low. Ito po. Ayan. So, mag-low-low lang siya. Ayan. So, low. Tama ba? Ganyan. Ganyan dapat. Ayan. So, low. Low gear. And we also have here the high gear. This is the 4x2. And we also have here the 4x4. Ayan. So, makikita mo. Okay. So, nagpo 4x4 yan. And so 4x4 na po siya ngayon, and then pwede rin natin siyang i-lock. Okay, so maglalak din yan. Ayan, so nag-lock na po siya yung 4x4 niya. Ayan, so locking system. Alright. Okay, now let's try naman yung kanyang hazard. Ayan, yung hazard niya. Ayan, syempre may signal light din yan. So may light to my left and signal light to my right. Okay, busina naman. Ayan. So, pakita ko naman sa inyo ang kanyang likuran. Okay, that is the tail light. This is the brake light. And also have here the signal light to my left and signal light to my right. Also have here also the hazard. Ayan. So, let's go backward naman po. Ayan, let's go backward. With full time 4x4, with full 4x4. Ayan, naka 4x4 tayo ngayon na nakalock. Okay. So now, let's off. And off natin. And muli, sir, maraming salamat po sa inyo pag-order dito sa JS Toy Store. At sa susunod na order niyo, sir, you are always welcome. At sa lahat po ng nais na magkaroon ng ganitong klaseng unit, i-call na lamang po kami sa screen na makikita nyo dyan, yung number at sa comment section. Thank you so much everyone. Happy holidays and Happy New Year.